can be amazing. You can turn a phrase into a weapon or a drug. You can be the outcast to be the backlash of somebody's lack of love.
It's a really beautiful mountain. Everything is well laid out. There's all these steps and everything to follow, but it's still pretty tiring. We're only 1.5 kilometers up and about 5 kilometers to go.
Times a shadow wins. But I wonder what would happen if you say what you want to say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I want to see you be brave with what you want to say and let the words.
Well, 5 kilometers and it is 3,001 meters. It's tiring. I'm going really slow, but at least I'm going.
Everybody's been there, everybody's been stared down by the enemy, falling for the fear and dancing, disappearing, bow down to the mighty. Don't run, stop holding your tongue. Maybe there's a way out of the cage where you live. Maybe one of these days you can let the light in. Show me how big and brave.
Hey guys, that's the summit. That's where I've been. Honestly, freaking tired. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Wish me luck.
Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. And since your history of silence won't do you any good.
I did it. I don't know how many times I've wanted to give up, but I came here to summit and that I did. So well worth it, and it's an amazing view. So I'm glad I did it. I just glad I didn't give up. I am technically the last person on the mountain today. Everybody else has come and gone. As you can see, because the air is so thin, I'm still a little bit struggling on my breath. But I'm sure the way down is going to be a lot easier. Alright, so from Kinabalu, signing off.